Hello, this is Kenji Kumara, and today I would like to talk to you about how I can help you to activate your DNA so that you can begin to actualize, embody, and manifest all of your spiritual gifts, or those gifts that are innately within you that you have developed over time in all your many lifetimes, wherever they may have been. Because you are eternal being, and we have been here many times, and perhaps we will come back many times, but wherever we are, we have that opportunity to use our gifts and our wisdom. So let's talk about, for a moment, the DNA level. Now that, as science knows, is part of your biology. But think about this. You also have, in your different light bodies or your extensions into the spiritual realm, you have spiritual DNA that when that is, shall we say, acknowledged and embodied on that level, then your physical DNA will be automatically activated, and you'll be able to bring through your physical body these gifts, whether it's through your voice, whether it's through, say, automatic writing, whether it's through movement and acting and dance and art. Your gifts actually come through your hands quite a bit. They also come through your eyes. They also come through your ears. So basically your DNA comes through all of your physical senses as well as your spiritual senses. So let's just take a short deep breath and know that you can, as you are ready, begin to tap into and become aware of, in a kinesthetic sense as well as a visual sense and auditory sense, these many gifts that we will call wisdom. Because we are wisdom keepers, are we not? We are wisdom activators. And so one of the ways that I can help you to activate your gifts is to spontaneously guide you to go within. And what we mean by going within is going within your consciousness, not so much your body or your mind, but your consciousness, your awareness, your presence. And through the act of knowing that it is done, you can activate that, and then I guide you into that place in your body, into the subatomic level of your DNA, where you can perhaps visualize a key or a code that lights up, literally is activated. And that activation will, move you through your brain. It'll move through your heart center. It'll move through your solar plexus. It'll move through those key points in your body, basically your head centers, your heart center, and your solar plexus. That awareness, with the understanding that your gifts now can automatically and very naturally, without effort, begin to manifest. And all you need to do is call it forth. Okay, today I'm going to activate that part of my wisdom that has to do with creative writing. And I'm going to sit down here at my desk, and I'm going to get my special pen and my journal, and I'm going to start to channel another aspect of my creativity that can be very healing, not only for myself, but for others. So that's just one example of how you can manifest your wisdom, remembering that your wisdom is always within. It is never out there. And mentors like myself are simply messengers and catalysts to help you to activate those gifts. Remember, this dude said a long time ago, "Seek ye the kingdom, and all things shall be granted unto thee." Wow, what was he referring to? He was referring to your keys of wisdom. The kingdom is the wisdom that you are. From all of your life experiences, wherever you've been, you've gathered the wisdom to know that this is how we do this. This is how we can create change on this planet. This is how we can create change in our bodies. So we'd like you to sit with that for a moment. Just contemplate that and feel how true that is for you. And until next time, we'll bring forth another key of the wisdom that lives within you. Thank you.